Chapter 1, Where the Mind is Without Fear, is a poem written by Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore during the period when India was struggling for freedom from the British rule. It is a part of Gitanjali, a compilation of all his poems. The poem is in a form of prayer to the God, the Almighty, for a true freedom for India. Being a visionary, Tagore aimed at making Mother India free, united, rational, and strong. It is a sweet dream for great rationalistic who strike wholehearted by to shape cultural and intellectual identity of modern India. Here, poet says, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. According to him, a truly free country, every person should be fearless and have a sense of self dignity. He must live his life in a way of self respect, where knowledge is free. Everyone have free access to knowledge. It should not be restricted to some portion of society based on class, caste, gender, and the other barriers. When the spread of knowledge has been restricted, people become dogmatic and narrow minded. Tagore wishes his countrymen to awaken and broaden their minds by enlightening it with the power of knowledge, where words come out from the depth of truth. Tagore wishes from the world which is not fragmented by prejudice based on caste, creed, religion, or other baseless superstition. Poet describes the domestic walls, narrow walls, here broken into fragments, which indicates in a small group of country, separated from each other by caste, creed, prejudice, and other religion. Poet thought prejudice and superstitions by the people in group and break their unity. Tagore believes only honest and truthful people can be led to maintain the nation towards prosperity. And it is an example of the fine personification in the poem. Here, Tagore, like a human being stretching his arms to reach his goals through personification. Tagore talks about his desire for a country where people would strive without getting tired to reach perfection, leaving behind prejudice and old traditions. Here, Tagore has used a metaphor and compared reasons a clear streams that flows smoothly, just as a flowing river loses its way as a sandy desert. Dead customs also harms all the good intellectual qualities of man. Reasons is the intellectual power in a man that helps him to move forward and get perfection. Here, Tagore wants the power of reasons to dominate the mind of his countrymen. He doesn't want the stream of reason to be lost amongst outdated customs and traditions, and only that can direct the mind towards selfless thought and everlasting action. Towards Tagore wishes his countrymen to open minded and progressive. Through the lines, Tagore expresses his vision of India as a heaven where there is a freedom of thought, spirit, faith, speech, which will lead to the inner perfection of the self. That heaven of freedom for which not the heaven of political, economical freedom, but of spiritual freedom from fear, narrow minded, and evil desire. Thank you.